In this video, we're going to show you how to add Minecraft to your Steam library. Okay, so what you need to do, of course, is open Steam, right? And then you're gonna see on the lower left corner, add a game with a plus icon in it. So click that, and you're gonna have a small pop-up here. Add a non-Steam game, activate a product Steam on Steam, browse the Steam store for games. So what you want to do is click on add a non-Steam game. So here it's going to show you a list of all your software that's installed on your PC, and just go to Minecraft Launcher. So if you have Minecraft, of course you need to have Minecraft installed in your PC to do so. So click on this and add selected programs. And if you go to your library, home, and look for Minecraft, there you go. Minecraft Launcher is here. You click play and you can play Minecraft. So yeah, it's that easy. That's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.